PhpStorm is one of the most popular EDS for web development at the moment, and that is why it's so important to master this tool well to increase the speed of this development. One of the factors of good knowledge and skillful use of any tools is the knowledge of keyboard shortcuts. For quick invocation is functionality. There are a lot of hotkeys, but we will consider the best ones in my opinion. Ctrl plus D copies the line of code on which the cursor is now located and places it under this line. One of the most used hotkeys. Ctrl-Alt-L. This combination is just like a magic wand. It puts the code in order, indents, and transfers it according to all the rules. It's a cool trick for those who write quickly, not caring about the beauty of the code, and with one click brings it into a readable view. Ctrl plus Shift plus slash. Press it and the selected code is framed by comment borders. It's very convenient when you are debugging code and need to quickly comment out large logical chunks to check the code for operability. Multi-cursor is a pretty cool thing for changing several lines at once. With the mouse cursor press Alt to the place where you need it and write in several places at once. To go to a method or unnecessary class that is located elsewhere, while holding down Ctrl, click on the name or of the necessary method or class and instantly go to the desired location. This technique comes in handy when you need to look deeper into the code you are using and see how it works. Double Shift calls the search window for classes, files, symbols, and actions. But you can also call the search separately. In PhpStorm, the search is instantaneous. This is due to code scanning and indexing. Ctrl plus Tab. Keyboard shortcut to quickly switch between open project files. Ctrl plus W. Step-by-step code selection from word to line and further to logical blocks. This technique is useful for convenient selection without using the mouse when you can't get to the right place. There will be no such problems here. Ctrl plus square brackets sends the cursor uh, to the beginning or ending of a logical block. It comes in handy when you need to quickly find the beginning of a logical block. And already in the eyes is a rippling, and everything merges. Here the program will do everything for you. Ctrl plus F12 shows the file structure by methods and properties. Uh, when there are when there are many methods and properties in the class or file, it's not an option to search for them manually. Of course, you can search for them, but sometimes it's convenient to look at the whole structure.